Welcome back, everybody. Summer is officially here, and it is prime time for all of us to get really busy working on our Halloween displays. I know I really need to get on that. I've been slacking a lot lately. As some of you know, I've been doing a home renovation that is just endless, and it's putting me in the poorhouse. So with that said, I wanted to give an extra special thank you to my patrons out there for helping support the channel. Without you, don't know what I would do because everything is just going crazy. So I like to give a special shout out to my patrons. I didn't get any new patrons last month, but I did get a couple of returning pledges. So those of you out there might remember Indiana Jones and Ryan79, and welcome back to the Fright Club, both of you. They join such wonderful patrons out there, such as Acorn and Oak, Allison, Waldron, B. Hugh, Carla, Perea, Cathy, Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie, Eric, Freddy Zone, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula, Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shanelle, Cree, Shannon, Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Southern Screams, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you so much, all of you, for helping support the channel. And if anybody else is interested in joining our Fright Club, please take a look at my Patreon page. Links are in the video description. So, with our monthly patron shout out, I also like to do a giveaway announcement. So before we get to that, you're going to have to stay tuned just a minute. We're going to take a quick peek and see what our patrons who have YouTube channels have been up to this month. All right, so first up here we have Indiana Jones. Now, Indiana Jones likes to do crafting videos, and she does crafting challenges and sort of collaborative videos with lots of other crafter YouTubers, and has so much wonderful content. So it's been actually a couple months since we checked in with Indiana Jones, and just scrolling through her page here, you can see she puts in some effort. So was this where we ended up 3 months ago? She was doing some Easter challenges, but lately, let's just pick out a few of these to take a quick peek at. Disney's Bounding Thrift Flips Villains. That looks fascinating. All right, what else have we got here? Let's get nautical. Okay. And Cruella de Vil inspired DIY. Try it Tuesday. Okay. Ooh, Mayoween Dangerous Women. All right. So definitely something for everybody. Be sure to check out Indiana Jones's page. You won't be disappointed. Okay. Next up, we have Southern Screams. So no new content since we last checked in, but Southern Screams does have a wonderful yard haunt that he puts on every year, and you'll definitely want to check it out. It's not to be missed. All right. Josh, the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, keeps us all informed about what inflatables are coming up every season. So the last we checked in, I think we had some Ghostbusters and he had some ducks, but it looks like we've got a lot of inflatable reviews since our last check-in. Racing four-wheelers too, apparently something he likes to do in his spare time. But you can see some of the upcoming, like new for 2021 Home Depot inflatable. Here's some sort of cheap fan new for 2021. And this guy's kind of cool, but actually this inflatable arch looks amazing. So just going to take a quick peek, larger screen here, and you can see I love archway inflatables, and I love things people can walk under, and I'm really impressed with this. I think he said it's a knockoff of some other inflatable, but $300 is a bit pricey for this. Especially, it's hard to tell with these like this Raven here. Is that like just painted on there? Because these look like they have kind of a 3D effect. Anyway, I love this archway, and I would love to have something similar to that too. All right. Next up, we have T-Cat Makes. So no new videos, but eventually I think we might get there. She's got some other social media that she posts a lot on, so check her out. We also have Halloween Inflatable Geek, a rare rainbow in the sky. Not sure what's rare about it. We'll have to check that out, but in his spare time from doing Halloween inflatable videos, He's been restoring a Mustang, so it looks like he's got an engine for it that maybe he might be putting in. All right, next up we've got Spooky Bev. Spooky Bev does some spooky videos, so looks like she hit the 100 subscriber mark. Congratulations. Hopefully we'll get a new video sometime soon. Spooky Spectacle. I was a little surprised that we didn't see anything new from Spooky Spectacle. It's been a few months. I hope everything's okay, Spooky Spectacle, because, ooh, 200 subscriber mark there too. Good for you. But it's starting to be prime spooky time, so hopefully we'll see something soon. All right, Freddy Zone, also no new videos since we checked in a month ago where she did her pool noodle plants, and those were pretty awesome. She's got amazing crafts and her videos are top notch, so you definitely need to check her out. And she's just one away from 150 subscribers, so someone out there, take a look at her channel, click the button. All right, Skull Crane Entertainment. Now, he also has not done a video in a while, not since we last checked in, except for this one here that is a giveaway. Now, he does animatronic videos, and he has a shop where you can buy them, and has a repair program and everything. It's definitely worth a look, but if you're interested in a 7-inch dancing hamster, I don't know why you wouldn't be, you can enter his giveaway there, so check that out. I don't know when it's ending, probably soon. It looks like it was a week ago that he posted that, so you don't want to wait very long. And lastly, we have Acorn and Oak, also does crafting videos. So I don't see really anything new since the last time, but you know, it's been the spring season. I'm sure we'll see some summer and hopefully some fall stuff here soon, like this candy corn decor that he did a while back. We need some more of that. All right, be sure to check out all of those YouTube channels. The links are in the description below. So one final thank you again to all of my patrons out there. And those of you who have been through my giveaways in the past know that the patrons do actually get a bonus entry, and they're automatically entered in all of our giveaways, just as my little special thank you on top of the cards and letters that I send out. But enough of that. Let's move on to the giveaway. So what is it this month? It is one of these. So it's a box. And inside this box, actually, I like this little label that they sent. It says Namnu Woodworks. We love what we do, and we love you for supporting our business. Thank you. So it's nice that they put a little thank you note right on the box. But what is it? Let's go ahead and open up Amazon, and I'll show you. So here it is, the Namnu Black Felt Coffin Letter Board Gothic Decor Message Board for Halloween decorations, 17 by 10.5 inches with 500 white changeable letters. Comes with a wooden stand, and it's a spooky decor letterboard for your wall. Well, really, if it comes with a stand, I guess it's for a table too. Retails for $33.97. I actually purchased this, let's see, a couple of weeks ago, and I did not pay $33.97. I think it was like $28. And I want to see if that is worth it. So let's take a look at some of the other pictures here. There is the stand, the dimensions. It looks kind of cool. I love this background here with this dark green color and the skulls and everything. And let's see. Queen of Skulls, love me down to my bones and then go deeper. All right, this one says, Hocus Pocus, I need coffee to focus. Someone here wrote 140 days till Halloween. That's a good idea. You can use it as a countdown. And then they've got a video there. So let's just scroll down real quick. Here are some of the other vendors you can buy it from. Again, you can get some different colored letters. I just like the simple black and white. And red rum, red rum. Oh, that would be good with the colored letters. Anyway. But here you can kind of see some examples of it with other decor. It kind of fits all in, very creepy. And let's just scroll on down till we get to the review section. All right, what are some of these questions? So apparently it's been out of stock. That probably explains that price increase. So hopefully I'll be able to get it. Because I'm keeping mine. I'll be sending you, if you win this, a brand new one. But most of these reviews, 587, 86% of those are 5 stars. So let's see, what do people say? It's everything I wanted it to be. Love. Here's a picture. I don't know, waited for it to come back in stock. It really is the greatest thing. Perfect for a goth home. Perfect for all you coffin queens, etc., etc. Oh, this one says it has its flaws. It's really cute, but it has its moments. It's not very stable, even when the stand has been wedged to stay still. The little letter pieces still have their snap attachments on them, so it can make letters or symbols look weird. Because it's unstable, it's already fallen, and the trim border at the bottom is snapping off. Nothing that hot glue won't fix, but it's the principle. Overall, I think it looks awesome, and I can't wait to open it. I'm not going to do it today with you. I'm going to do an unboxing video of this within the next week. So normally, I like to do my giveaways as a live video, but I procrastinated so long this month that it's almost the end of the month, and I've got so much going on with my kitchen remodel, which hopefully I'll get an update video out. I know a lot of you keep asking me how that's going. It's going awful, but we're getting there. So where was I? Anyway, I don't have time to do a live video. I want to get to some more Halloween videos, and I think that live video just kind of eats into what little time I have left. So I'm just going to do a random name picker giveaway this month, but who's going to win? I will post the winner on my Instagram page as well as the Facebook group. So the Facebook group is Happy Haunting. Check it out on Facebook, and my Instagram is at Happy Haunter. Happy Haunter, not Happy Haunting. That was taken, and I tried to get it from somebody, and she never answered me. It's unfortunate, so I'm a Happy Haunter on Instagram. But anyway, enough said. I don't know when this drawing is going to end. It will be either a week from today or whenever I get around to doing my review video, my unboxing and review video, because I am going to announce the winner in that unboxing and review video by, to enter, let's back up a little bit. To enter, I need you to leave me a comment below and tell me what message you think I should write on the Halloween board. And if you are the random name picker winner, I will actually put that phrase or whatever you think I should type. So I need something specific. Don't give me something general. Something specific that, and hopefully unique, because I don't want multiple people saying, or submitting the same thing. So give me something unique. And if there's multiples, I guess I'll put your name on it too. I'll probably put your name on it anyway. But anyway, it's going to appear on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Did I do that right? Yes, so I will post it on Instagram, I will post it on Facebook, and I guess I'll put it in the video as well. So one of those three methods will show you that you're the winner, and then we'll get you out one of these fun coffin signs. So that'll do it for today. Hopefully I'll get to my exciting Halloween pile I have of stuff that's kind of building up over in the corner. I've got lots of things to review with you. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. So until next time, stay tuned, take care, stay safe, happy haunting.